Hey, are you going to be traveling anytime soon? Where are you going? Hey, I hope your trip goes very well and your journey is smooth. Well, what do those three words mean? Why do they sound kind of the same? Let's talk about them. Travel is usually the verb we use to mean going from one place to another. Sometimes far away, sometimes close by. We can use travel as a general term about going one place to another. And we can talk about someone's travels where we're describing all of the journeys, all of the trips that they made. So someone's travels as they trek across the world. Here we are talking about movement. But what about trip and journey? They both are nouns that mean the act of going from one place to another. But we use them slightly different. We often use the verbs go on, take with trip. Like, I'm going on a trip to the US. We also add things like business trip, road trip, day trip to describe kind of the different types of trips. We often use trip in expressions like that. A journey is used in two different ways. One way is to talk about a trip that takes a long time, especially if there's difficulties or you're making discoveries during that travel time. It's used more of the adventure part of taking a trip. I hope to take a journey across the world one day. In that same way, when we're talking about adventure and learning, it doesn't actually have to be physically moving one place to another. We can have a spiritual journey or self-discovery journey. He took up yoga. He's on a journey of self-discovery. We make journeys, but we take trips or go on trips.